y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl Octavia.Darling. In this video we're going to be doing a little bit of lock maintenance, mainly because I posted an Instagram reel recently and I saw how uneven my locks looked, and I was like, no baby, we gotta fix that because I just don't like how it looks. It doesn't look right to me. Now I know my locks are already layered for the most part, but I also know that I have been trimming every few months when the ends would get a little straggly. But today I said, you know, I just want to overall correct the issues because I don't like looking at like little gaps, you know, in between. And I started to think back to when like I used to be relaxed and when I used to be natural. You know, when your ends get a little split, you want to trim them to make sure that your hair continue to flourish beautifully. And I don't think there's really that much of a difference when you have locks. I feel like when your ends get a little, you know, straggly or staggered. Sorry y'all, I'm recording a reel at the same time. But I feel like when your ends get a little straggly or staggered, then you have every right to correct the issue. So that's what we're going to do in this video today. But before we hop into the trimming process, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications and do your girl a favor and go ahead and share this video out. Also, make sure you're following me on all social media platforms. Just search Octavia.Darling and I'm sure that I'll pop up. Let's hop into it. Okay y'all, so I turned my camera vertically so that my entire head and hair can be in the frame so you can get a very clear view of what I'm doing. Like, if you see me looking over here to the left, I'm looking at my phone as well for another view. But as I'm looking at my locks right now, let me do it like this. As I'm looking at my locks right now, it just doesn't look layered. It almost looks like I have split locked ends, if that makes sense. And I want to just kind of fix that. I want it to look nice and full throughout my entire end. So I'm just gonna basically close the gaps. Okay, y'all, so I turned my camera. Sorry, I'm recording on my phone at the same time. We're not going to be too particular about it. I'm not going to do too much other than eye it and trim at the same time. So when I wear my hair like this, I don't want like so many longer pieces sticking out than the other ones. Like this one right here especially is way, so I'm probably gonna cut about right here. Okay, this is all I cut off. Rello's barking now, so I'm probably going to have to do a voiceover from here on. So after cutting the first lock, I went to the other side of my head and found the longest one to trim it as well. That way they can both be even. So like these ends here, I'll probably clip it like this at an angle like that. Yeah, see, it's already starting to look a little bit better. We'll do this side. So that means these need to be like that. Y'all, I'm just trimming them, and I'm probably cutting off like maybe an inch because I know they'll grow back, but I'm just cutting off like an inch anything of my locks. There we go. It's already looking better to me. There we go, there we go. It's not that bad right now. Does it look neat? I know I keep pulling on it. That's because I don't have a retwist, so it's not like my hair is super stretched. I just want to make sure, like, you know, like I'm pulling it all the way down and it's not just like gapish because there's some locks that's like intertwined. So over here, these two, a little bit longer. Pull, 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 pull. Like these are a little bit longer. trim. See, it's already looking a little bit better, right? This one, as you can see, is a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is pull it down. Alright, so what we'll do is trim it right up here. Like that. There we go. Yes. These are already looking so much better to me. So I've really been focused on my left side. Now I really want to make sure I shift the focus to the right so that the left side is not longer than the right side. So right now, that's how it's looking a little bit. So do it like that. Oh my gosh, I already like how much better this looks. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, y'all, so like I'm pretty much done. I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but the ends of my hair is not as staggered as it was before. It's not so gappish. It's more even. And now I'm looking, this one looks a little out of place. So let's go ahead and nip that in the bud. Hold on. And again, I'm only cutting off like an inch. I'm not cutting off too much. I'll show y'all how much I cut when we're done with this video. I like how they look. They look much more even. But if you are considering on trimming or cutting your locks, I do highly recommend that you get a pair of professional scissors so that, you know, it effectively cuts your hair the way you want it to be cut. I know I've made some other videos with hair trimming tips. I'll make sure that I link those above. That concludes this video, y'all. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I appreciate those who are part of the Oh Darling community. You all are so awesome. Shout out to my new subscribers. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. I think that's pretty much all the platforms that I'm on right now. I know 2023 is around the corner, and you know, we gotta apply that pressure when it comes to sharing content. You definitely want to stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be doing a lock detox for the first time. I'm so excited because I've never done one, but I'm wanting to do one. And as I'm approaching my 3-year mark in my loc journey, I feel like it's time for me to detox. You know what I mean? I just ordered my inflatable shampoo bowl from Amazon yesterday, so make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to get all into detoxing my hair and removing all the impurities, the negative energy, everything, the dirt, the muck, whatever is in there that shouldn't be up in there is about to go. Okay, so that's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.